Hi, beautiful. Welcome to another Technology Tuesday. If you are interested in learning all sorts of ways that you can use technology to grow your Young Living business, to support your Young Living business, to follow up with potential clients with your Young Living business, then you are in the right spot. And if you're not looking to do those things, then move along to another video or just enjoy learning a bit of extra knowledge. I don't know. So today we will be talking about newsletters. I want to show you my favorite ways of getting a newsletter to my clients and also to members of my downline. And newsletters are really important. Really, the purpose of a newsletter is to help your clients and to help your business members feel very connected, to keep them up on the latest and greatest information, and also to just be a little bit fun and help them see different ways of using oils. You can also announce classes. So if you're having classes or training, you might want to put that into your newsletter. But essentially, this is just your little love letter from yourself to your clients or to your downline or to other members of your business every single month. And so you want it to really look and feel like that. You also want your newsletter to be regular. So if your plan is to send out your newsletter on the 5th of every month, or every week, or every Monday, or every Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, whatever it is that you decide to do with your newsletter, make sure that you're sending it out consistently. Also, you can take your newsletter and you can post it to your Facebook fan page or to Instagram or any other platform that you are choosing to publish your 365 days of publishing. Have I beat that one into the ground yet? So know that your newsletter doesn't just have to stay in email form. You can also print it out and mail it to people who are not connected via email. I know we always seem to think that people are in their email all the time or they're on social media all the time, but there are people who would love to just hear from you. So you can take your newsletter, consider printing it out and sending it off and mailing it out to people who are maybe not so connected to you. So we all love to get a little piece of happy mail every once in a while. So today, I'm going to start with Marketing Sense because Marketing Sense produces a monthly email for you. After Marketing Sense, we're going to go into Grow Workspace, and I will show you their swipe file in Grow Workspace and how you can also edit that newsletter, and then how to send these out to your potential clients and or post them onto Facebook. So here we are. We are at marketingsense.com. You guys know how much I love Marketing Sense, and again, I think Marketing Sense has been in every Technology Tuesday video that I've done because I use it for everything. And shameless plug, for $1 for 14 or for a month, it's definitely worth checking out if you don't already have it. So let's get logged in here. We are going to travel over to our Marketing tab, and we're going to scroll down to the Email Broadcast tool. Next, we are going to create a new broadcast. And I like to go through and just send it to everybody in every category. Now, of course, you can send out a newsletter. You can constrain it to when people signed up. You can also send out broadcast emails based upon geographic area codes. So if you happen to be teaching a class in a specific area code, you can put those in here, and you can also limit it within so many miles of the zip code if you're holding an in-person class and you want to just announce it to the people who live close. But we are going to not constrain this broadcast by anything and just hit continue to step 3. Next, we have this choose pre-written email option right here. And when you hit the down button, that is where you will find your December, since it's December right now, the December 2020 newsletter. So it pops a subject automatically in here for you. I like to put in my client's first name, or my recipient's first name, I guess I should say. So you can hit this little code section and click recipient's first name, and it will pop it in there. Essential oil news. Read Christmas joy, scented ornaments, and gift ideas. Now, everything in this newsletter is actually editable. this is the newsletter template right here is what you're looking at. You can change your template if you don't like the top. You can choose any of these templates that are down here. Simple template, member template. There's a lot of templates you can choose from. You can even make your own template, which we will not be covering today, but you can do that as well. But since it is the newsletter, I'm going to use the newsletter template. And so you can come in here and you can fill it with anything that you would like to. So just dropping in with some fun and interesting essential oils information. This is also where I like to put things about the classes and things that are coming up that I'm doing or hosting, online events that we're doing or hosting. But you can read through here and you can add all kinds of stuff. So let's say that you created a video that you uploaded into your video creator. You can add that to the email. Welcome to the podcast. Like maybe, I don't know, I'll just add any video. Okay, so maybe you'd like to put in a video. Perhaps you would like to insert an audio. You can stick all sorts of things in here. You can also put other photos in here and images from your desktop or laptop or whatever. And so feel free to read through here and make it what you would like to make it. I love this photo right here. This little guy, you know, hanging out in his hot cocoa. One of the things that I enjoyed doing was putting a recipe for hot chocolate right here. I thought that that went really fun. So take the time with it to really make it yours. And when you're ready, you can preview it and just see what it's going to look like to all of your recipients and change things according to that. And you can also just hit send a test message and you can email yourself a test message. I highly suggest doing that just to make sure that all of these videos work. So, you know, this is a DIY scented ornament with a video, so you can pop over and just make sure that all of those video links work and then hit continue to step 4. And here what you can do is you can schedule this for delivery. So if you prefer to send your newsletters out on the 15th of the month, you can change that and you can select a date and time and click save and finish. Or you can send it out as soon as possible. So that will send it out to all of my Marketing Sense contacts that I have in there, as well as downline members that I've put in and things of that nature. So the next thing I want to show you, and then it's like, it's off. You don't have to worry about it. Also, I want to add this about Marketing Sense as well, is that one of the reasons why I love Marketing Sense is that if I put a video in there and somebody watches it, so first of all, Marketing Sense is going to tell me that somebody opened up my broadcast email message. So if I have Susan Smith, opens up my broadcast email and she clicks the video, it's going to say Susan Smith open broadcast video. And then it's going to tell me Susan Smith watched welcome to the podcast video. And if I put something else in there like welcome to essential oils or another video of that sort, it's going to let me know what it is that she's watched. So I could kick her out another email or I can send her a text message and just say, hey, I noticed that you were attracted to this information or that you watched this. If you have any questions, let me know. And it definitely opens up a doorway for that information. And you can see that if you go to your dashboard and you scroll down, you're going to be able to see this right here. Okay, so people filling it out, opening up campaign messages, subscribing. Somebody subscribed to my blog. It's going to let me know that. So that's really important, I think, for just keeping up and following up with people. Another tool that I like to use is Grow Workspace. This is also a membership service, a subscription service. This one is $14.95, and I will actually use this in conjunction with Marketing Sense. I'm going to log in here. So this is Grow Workspace. You're going to click the USA English. Well, I'm going to click the USA English. You may need to click the Canadian option. There's also a Spanish option as well, so select the one that's right for you. And I am going to select Marketing Material, and then Monthly Newsletter and Promo Graphics. And then select the December 2020 newsletter and sway link with promos. So what this is going to do is this is going to give you this sway link right here. And what is sway? Good question. Glad you asked. So Sway is a way that you can do an electronic newsletter, and it just makes it easy for people to pull it up on their screen and see a really big, fluffy newsletter without having to download anything. So these are really pretty, and they're very chock full of information. And you can come through and you can send the whole thing, or you can send just a few of them. But in order to edit your newsletter, which you're going to want to do, otherwise your newsletter is going to be filled with how they can get a hold of the Grow Workspace folks, you want to come in here and you want to sign in. And what it's going to ask you to do is it's going to ask you to sign into your Microsoft account. Once you've signed in with your username and password, and if you don't have one, if you don't have that, Microsoft 360 account, you can always create one. It's free, and it gives you the ability to be able to edit. You can then go to your drop-down and you can duplicate the Sway. Once you duplicate the Sway, you have Go to My Sways, and then you have Edit Now, so you can select Edit Now. And now you can go through here and you can edit this. You can also take out sections and just send, if you like to do a newsletter every Monday, you can send out one every Monday and just break up the information and send it however it is that you would like to send it. You can also add information and do with it what you will. Add your classes, add your information that you would like to add, and then once this is all done and you're finished, you hit the share button and it's going to give you a little link, this link right here. And so with the link, you can log into your Marketing Sense. With the link, you can log into your Marketing Sense and you can send it out using the same broadcast email steps that we just did. I love that idea. It gets it to all of your clients and all of the people who have signed up on your website. You can also go into your Young Living back office and you can log into your Young Living back office and you can send it out to your downline as well. And you can use all of those wonderful search features to send it out to specific people if you would like to. For example, maybe you just want your new people to get it. Maybe you just want, I don't know, people that have a PV of 0 or less to get it, or maybe you only want inactives to get it. I mean, there's a number of different things that can happen. But if you go into My Organization and Advanced and Send Message to Report, that will be how you could send this link. You can put in information and just paste that link right in there. Here's this month's newsletter, check it out here, and put this link in there. You can also use your customizable search features. Perhaps you just want to send it to everybody who is a new member, and you can select that and just send it to your new members for, whatever month. And you can send it out that way. So it just really kind of depends on what you would like to do and what serves your business the best. But that is 2 ways to have access to a newsletter without having to think about information. Remember, sometimes the best information is not created, it's compiled. So let these 2 masters of newsletters do the compiling for you, and then you just simply have to adjust what you're doing. Now, when it comes to sharing on Facebook also, you can take that same Sway link and you can copy and paste it into Facebook. For now, I think the most important thing is to be able to get your newsletter to clients and then be able to then see what that client does with the information. So if you send your Sway link out through your Marketing Sense broadcast link, the beautiful thing about that is you're going to be able to know, you'll get a little notification when that gets opened, and then you'll also receive another one that will say that somebody has selected that link, and it's just a great way to follow up with people and make sure that they are interacting with you. Thank you so much for joining me on this amazing, wonderful Tuesday. It's Christmas time when I'm making this video, so Merry Christmas to everybody. I hope that you are having a wonderful Tuesday and will have a great week, and we will see you next Tuesday with some more technology to support your Young Living business. So be happy, healthy, and keep growing.